बच्चों, let's see the question. In human adult females, oxytocin, and the options are A. Stimulates pituitary to secrete vasopressin. B option is causes strong uterine contraction during parturition. Option C is it's secreted by anterior pituitary, and option D is stimulates growth of mammary glands. So let's see what is oxytocin. So oxytocin is a hormone which is also known as the birth hormone. So oxytocin is known as the birth hormone. Its other name is the milk ejecting hormone. Now this hormone is secreted from hypothalamus, but it gets stored in the posterior lobe of pituitary. So it is released from the posterior lobe of pituitary whenever required. Now this oxytocin is released at the time of parturition. It means when the fetus and the placenta, these two structures are fully developed, then they causes a mild contraction in the uterus, and the uterus is contracted, and this mild contraction in uterus, it stimulates the posterior lobe of pituitary to release this hormone oxytocin. Now this oxytocin, it acts on the myometrium of the uterus. Myometrium is the middle layer of uterus, and this myometrium now undergoes stronger contraction, and this contraction of myometrium is responsible for the expulsion of child from mother's body. So in human adult female, oxytocin, now the option A is stimulates pituitary to secrete vasopressin. This is a wrong statement because the target action of oxytocin is not on pituitary. Now the second is it causes strong uterine contraction during parturition. As I told you, parturition means delivery of the child. So during the delivery of a child, oxytocin acts on the uterus and it causes contraction which are responsible for the expulsion of fetus. So this is a right statement. Now if we look further, then option C is it's secreted from anterior pituitary. Now the source of this hormone is hypothalamus, but it is released from the posterior lobe of pituitary. So this is also a wrong statement. Now fourth one is it stimulates the growth of mammary glands. No, it just causes the ejection of milk from the mammary gland. It is not responsible for the growth of mammary gland. So this is also a wrong option. So only right statement here is option B. So it is our right answer. All the best, bachcho.